defense. It's being discussed even, no, with Secretary Bantu. So ano lang po yun, abangan na lang po natin siguro. I don't want to
Sa
preempt.
Articles 1 and 2 ngayon, gaano kalayo na yung progress natin sa market?
Well, we're making progress. As we said, no, it's 4,000 documents on one side, another 4,000 on the other side. So marami talaga. Nag-iiba-iba per marking table dahil iba-iba siyempre yung pace. But I would say significant naman na meron na tayong nagawa since Thursday last week.
Nakalahati na, sir.
Siguro,
Hindi pa po tapos.
hindi pa
So
tapos.
yung hinihingi po kasing extension ng prosecution will be until Saturday. Gusto po nila na may pre-trial conference pa rin by Friday and Saturday. Is this a position that the defense also shares?
Like we said, the defense will always adjust. So kung ano man ang kinakailangan, handa naman tayong pumasok kahit Sabado.
But also that's something that they never discussed with us. I'd just like you to know, they're talking through you guys. So all these things, we have been open with them, but the prosecutor always talks to you guys. So this is the first time that we're hearing about this.
Siguro to add to that, no, the defense is committed to expedite, to do everything in our power to really expedite the case as well. And so far, lahat naman na binibigyan ng instruction ng impeachment court, we faithfully comply and we really do the best of our ability.
Balikan po lang yung sinabi niyo, attorney, na hindi uma-attend, mag-attendance lang yung mga public prosecutor at umaalis na sila. Ito ba ay nakakadagdag sa pagka-delay or namumove at natatagalan yung PTC?
Well, personally, para sa akin, it will contribute kung nandun sila. Kasi they will have added manpower. Pero siguro, it's best left to their discretion kung how they will perform in this part of the
Sir,
proceedings.
on your side, confident naman po kayo sa Thursday na matatapos ito?
We don't know because ang nangyayari kasi ngayon, that's why ayaw namin magbigay ng definite timeline. It's also unfair to give a definite timeline kasi halinhinan yan 'di ba? Prosecution will present their documentation to a certain number and then kami naman, no. At yun naman napag-usapan. So we really don't know. It will depend on the pace. It will depend from one marking station to another kung ano din yung pace. It will also depend on the article. Maaring mas maraming dokumento yung Article 1 kaysa sa Article 2, so it really depends naman po.
Sir, would you say hindrance yung hindi pagiging present the whole day ng public prosecution sa pre-trial proceedings?
I wouldn't say that.
Yung 4,000 documents per the Article 1, sir, nakakailang libo na po kayong namarka?
We cannot give an exact number because as you saw earlier, I was in one station. Yung ibang lawyers namin were also in other stations. Hindi pa kami let's not give rough estimates, sir, because it might be misleading, no? What we will just say is we are trying our best to expedite proceedings.
Pero nakalahati na, sir, doon sa 4,000?
It depends kasi, sir, kasi naghati-hati nga kami. That's why, again, sir, I would like to, again, reiterate our position that we will not give any rough estimates at this point.
Ano ulit yung solusyon ng Senate Secretary sa inyo para bumilis?
Tomorrow, dadagdagan yung Article 2 kasi isang marking station lang sa ngayon, no? So tomorrow, ang plano po ng Senate Secretary at in consultation naman with the defense and the prosecution is magdadagdag ng isa pang table, isa pang station. Ibig sabihin, yung dokumento imbis na isang group lang ang nagmamark, magiging dalawang grupo. So pwedeng hatiin ngayon yung mga dokumento, mas bibilis, hindi ba?
So for example now, tatlo yung tables para sa Article 1. Ang plano talaga dapat is Article 2 and Article 1, tagalawang table. Kaso lang ang prosecution ang ayaw ng dalawang table para sa Article 2. Pinag-usapan niya ni Attorney Lorna and Attorney Sheila pero umaayaw pumayag ng isang firm kasi hindi daw nila kaya manpower. Kaya hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling itong kami ang underman.
Sir, sorry, kada table may prosec at defense. Tama po ba?
At secretary.
Pero walang congressmen na lawyers na sumasali at
Wala po.
private prosecutor.
Wala pong nagmamark na Congress, na public prosecutor.
Pre-trial day 1, wala na pong public prosecutors
Sa marking,
sa market.
wala.
I would like to siguro let's not make a big fuss out of it, no, because it's also within the prerogative of the prosecution kung sino magmamark. So I beg your indulgence. Let's not make a big issue about that. Let's just stick to the issue, which is the marking. And in terms of the marking, ginagawa naman ng dalawang panig kung anong kaya para ma-expedite ito.
Pero sir, what's the difference kung wari public prosecutor nandito compared sa kung nandyan din yung private?
I don't see any difference.
Last week po, yung July 6 po na pag-uusapan nyo rin na pwedeng i-adjust. I mean, with the
I don't want to preempt the impeachment court. That will have to come from the impeachment court. Kasi ang impeachment court po ang lalabas ng calendar. Of course, kami matatanong. So, kung matanong naman tayo, we will just come to an agreement with all the parties concerned, meaning the prosecution and the impeachment court.
Tsaka siguro to add, no, in the interest of fairness, para maintindihan lang din ng mga nanonood kung ano yung nangyayari. It's not just the defense lang naman, or it's just not just the prosecution. It's both sides na marami talagang dokumento. No, wala namang nagdo-dominate, so to speak, nung pre-marking. Binibigyan naman ng parehong sides ng pagkakataon para magmarka ng mga dokumento.
Sorry, sabi niyo open kayo na possible na hanggang next week pa itong pre-trial conference. Pag hindi tinatapos ng Thursday, can we say delayed na yung timeline niyo? Kasi hanggang 25
No, again, the timeline is given by the impeachment court. So it will depend on the impeachment court. I don't want to say delay or something because we are causing, issues na wala naman pa sa ngayon, no? So let's not do that. Ang sa akin, we're working on expediting everything. Ngayon, kung mag-extend man, then we're happy to adjust, no? Kasi ang gusto lang talaga natin ay matapos ang proseso. Sumusunod lang po tayo sa proseso. But I really hope mga kaibigan natin sa media that we do not use the word delay kaagad, lalong-lalo na hindi pa nangyayari, no?
As the part of the defense, ano yung proposed measures natin to expedite yung retrial?
Yun po yun. It's damihan ang stations at napakinggan naman kami. And from both sides, yun naman talaga ang hinihingi, no? Nagkakaroon lang ng issues here and there, katulad na nabanggit ni Attorney Mark kahapon. But, so far now, magkakaroon na tayo ng extra tables or extra marking stations sa Article 2. So again, ibig sabihin nun, madadagdagan ng another station kung saan pwede mag-mark. So kung madadagdagan, mababawasan yung kailangan i-mark dun sa nag-iisang station ngayon. At sabay yun na imamarkahan. So ibig sabihin, kung mahati ang dokumento, ang bulk ng documents, mahati sa dalawa, at sabay, simultaneously minamarkahan, mas mapapabilis yung proseso.
Pwede magpakilan lang po yung mga kasama niyo.
Yes, as I mentioned yesterday, on my right is Attorney Mark Binluan, and on my left is Attorney Carlo Joaquin Narvasa.
Kasama po lahat pag nag-trial, sir.
Yes, opo.
Attorney,
you.
so ibig sabihin,
Thank you po.
yung nangyayari is normal process, nothing out of the extraordinary?
No, nothing out of the extraordinary. But of course, syempre, yung pag sinasabi nating volume of documents for a case such as an impeachment case, expected marami talagang dokumento, no? At pag nagmamarka kasi tayo, hindi naman yan marka. Hindi naman ganun po yun. Tinitingnan natin kung ang kopya ay original, kung ang kopya ay certified true copy, kung ang kopya ay photocopy, at ibig pong sabihin nun ay kinukumpara din namin ang original sa photocopy, yung mga ganung bagay. So, hindi lang po simple yung pagmamarka, pero natural lang po yan at ginagawa po yan sa regular courts.
So wala makakapag-akusa sa isa't isa na may ginagawa itong sadya para i-delay?
Wala po. Kami po, never kami nag-accuse ng delay. At kami po, naninindigan kami that we are also not delaying the proceedings. That's why, syempre, we will also take exception pag kami ay sinasabihan na nagde-delay because from day one, hindi po kami nagde-delay ng any proceeding dito.
Thank you po, Attorney Mike. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Sir, itong title.
Hanggang 5 ulit.
Hindi ko pa alam kakausapin ko namin. Wala.
Wala pa silang sinasabi sa inyo. Pero sa press conference sinabi ko.
Wala naman kami sinabihan.
First time we've heard about it.
Pati yung process sa house. Sino ba yung nagpa-sa house? Doon na hindi sila nagpa-produce.
Carlo Narvasa.